What if Arsenal's legendary invincible season was broken by a single defeat? Picture this: Arsene Wenger's team was 49 games unbeaten, on track to become the first club to go undefeated in Premier League history. Then one loss changes everything. No legendary status, no perfect season. Manchester United remains the ultimate benchmark instead of Arsenal. Thierry Henry never gets his untouchable legacy as part of football's most dominant team. Patrick Vieira doesn't become the captain who led an invincible squad through an entire season. The North London derby loses its most historic bragging right over Tottenham. Modern football loses its greatest example of sustained excellence. Young players today wouldn't dream of achieving the impossible because nobody ever proved it was possible. Arsenal becomes just another good team that almost made history. One single defeat would have erased what many consider the greatest achievement in Premier League history. Sometimes perfection hangs by the thinnest thread.